What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are actually gonna go to the car meet. It's gonna be Sutherlin Subaru Huntington Beach. Today they're gonna have a new vehicle release. They're gonna have music, they're gonna have vendors, and I'm gonna go with my club right here, Subie Motion, all right? So check it out. Don't ever forget the essentials: coffee and food. Well, you can't go to the car meet without making a pit stop, right? Gotta get gas.
Pit stop.
We're ready to go. We're rolling. You gonna go left? It's just sick. It's just sick, man. Thanks. I like it. Thank you.
And for tagging us and making them real. Oh yeah, and okay.
So I just got one of the drinks from If You Know, You Know. It's a dragon fruit with lemonade. Delicious. good, refreshing. Guys, that is it for the day. Huntington Beach Subaru was a great success, a great turnout. It was fun today, all right? Also got a Subie Motion shirt, so it was pretty good. You know, finally got one, which is great, awesome. Like I said, great turnout, great people, and we'll look into the next one. Okay, see you later.